Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular problem, we are given a two set, right? We need to create a new set which contains the identical items. Okay, so to do that, what we can do is, so since it's a set, right? So in set, there is a operator overloading that happens, and set two, I guess that should work. See, it did not work, huh? So it's DNC. Okay, it should have been maybe this operator and operator, right? So this gives out the intersection, whichever are common in it. That should work, I guess. Yeah, works just fine, right? Let me just check the solutions for it. Okay, some people have done set three and then used and okay. Some have used intersection. Okay, intersection, right? So basically we can do multiple method, right? So just using this operator is also just fine. Okay, so that's how we solve this particular problem. If you have any questions, do comment down below. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.